Hello duckies, Andi here, back with another StreamUP video, and here is the second product that we're releasing for the StreamUP OBS plugin. Let's take a look. It is what you've been waiting for, GTA Wasted 2.0, and it's super easy to get installed. It's going to be available for Streamer.Bot for the first month, then available for Leo on board and maybe some other stuff after that. Usually about a month, I reckon. Yeah, about a month. So I'm going to show you how to get it all installed, get it all working. It's super easy to do. Let's get into it. Put your rock for the stone. So there will be quite a few prerequisites for this, as we're going to be using a lot of OBS plugins, but obviously if you've used other StreamUp stuff, you probably have most of these installed. Just make sure they are up to date. You can find out all the information just on the StreamUp website. This is where you're going to download the product as well. It'll be available on the latest products page, and you can go to the products page as well if you just press products at the top and scroll down. You can sort it by what kind of bot that you use in Streamer.Bot. So it'll be available just here under effects. As this is a Streamer.Bot timed exclusive, it will be coming to all the stuff later on down the line. So get that downloaded, and then you'll have a zip file just here. We're just going to extract everything. Press extract, and it's going to open up the file. It's kind of, you get a bit of a double inception because it's like StreamUp GTA 5 wasted. In that StreamUp GTA 5 wasted, we're just going to copy this, and we need to put it somewhere where you want to save forever, pretty much, because if you move this, OBS will lose the link of all the resources and everything like that. Obviously in OBS 27 you can point it in the right direction, so it relinks all the sources back together, but I've made a little document of StreamUp stuff, and in here I've put Polaroid picture, so I'm just going to paste it in there. So I've got StreamUp GTA 5 wasted. So in this folder we've got the Streamer.Bot install, we've got the resources, which has got all like the image sources and shader filters and stuff that you need. The first thing you need to do is download and install everything here. Everything's nice and easy to do. You just download each one of these plugins. These are just standard OBS plugins. If you're struggling to install them or struggling to know what to do, more than likely when you open the web page, it will have a video on there from me that Exceldro has kindly posted on there. Or if you're struggling still, you can just Google Andi followed by the plugin name. I will have a video on it, so you'll be able to find it on there as well. So make sure they are all installed, okay? I'm not going to go through installing them. Make sure OBS is shut when you are installing as well, and then as soon as you got them all done, we can open up OBS. And here we go, I'm in OBS and I've got all my scenes just here on the side. Doesn't really matter what sort of setup you've got at the minute. The only thing that I always recommend when doing effects like this is have a scene with just your webcam on, because then we can use this scene on other things and on other effects, and it doesn't affect the actual source of your webcams. Because obviously if you edit that and add filters to it, it happens on everything globally in OBS that uses that camera. So doing a nested scene is so much better that way. Trust me, it just makes it a lot easier. So now that's ready, we can open up Streamer.Bot and we can start going as well. So we'll get Streamer.Bot all ready to go. First thing in OBS, go up to Tools, and we're going to go down to StreamUp. We're going to navigate to the folder where we just saved it. So mine was in Documents, StreamUp stuff, GTA 5 wasted, and we're just going to install the .streamup file. It's not going to look like it's done anything, but if we scroll down on our scenes list, we should see a brand new scene. You guys might not be able to hear that on the video, but that's fine. You'll hear a noise. It will be just a black screen right now. What we're going to do is double click on the camera just here, and we're going to change this source drop down to the scene with your webcam on. So if you already have a webcam scene, then select that one or the one that you've just created. So I know mine's a scene because I always use prefixes like this, the FX and stuff in for input, and I've just got my webcam just here. So I'm going to select that, and you can see it comes up looking a little bit like this. It looks a little bit strange. It's got some colors on it and stuff just to add to the effect. Once that's done, we can go back to any scene that we want. So I'm just going to go back to my just chatting scene. Now ready to install it into Streamer.Bot. So open up Streamer.Bot and open up the file download in here. So in the StreamUp stuff and in the GTA 5 wasted, and then in the Streamer.Bot install just here. And we're going to copy this text file, so we can either open it and copy everything inside it, or we can drag and drop it in a second. We're going to right click on the left hand side of the actions, so we're in the actions tab in Streamer.Bot. Make sure you are on version 0.1.3 and above, otherwise it won't work. It'll tell you at the top if it needs updating. Press import, and here I'm going to drag and drop or paste into the import string section. It should fill it out with StreamUp effects, GTA 5 wasted 2.0, and we just press import. And that is then going to add it just here under this group, StreamUp effects, and we've got GTA 5 wasted just here on the left hand side. Obviously, we need to make sure OBS is all connected, so on the OBS tab, make sure you are connected via WebSocket and everything. Next up, we need to create a channel point reward. So go to the channel point rewards tab, we're going to right click and press add, and we can call it whatever we want. I'm just going to put wasted, like that. And we're going to say we want user input as well, because people can put a message on it, and it'll say absolutely anything you want. I'm going to give it a cost. We'll put 500. That's how many channel points it is. Did you see me fail? Let me know. You can put anything you want in there. That is the description that is on Twitch. You can change the background color, all that sort of stuff. Also cooldowns and whatnot. And then we're at the action one at the bottom. We're going to just select that and scroll all the way to the bottom, because it'll be the newest thing you've added, GTA 5 wasted 2.0. Select that and press OK. That is all set up, ready to go. That is linked across to this action. So now when we're in OBS just here and we select the troll points, you can see wasted's been created. Select that, and I'm going to put hello YouTube, like so. I'm just going to zoom out, and when I select it, it'll automatically trigger the effect. And it says exactly what the channel point is. This cool little slow motion effect as well. It'll also just fade out and fade back in to the previous scene you are on. Obviously, that was so easy to install, I know, right? How much are you loving the new StreamUP OBS plugin? It saves so many headaches. You can adjust things on there as well. If you don't like the way that filters are looking, feel free to change it. Just obviously don't redistribute it and stuff like that, because we like to make everything free. If you do want to support us at StreamUP on the developments of the products and the plugins, then please consider just giving a small donation when you download it, or consider joining Patreon and all that jazz. And one little secret bit for you as well. My previous video, we talked about OBS code. You could link the OBS code action to GTA Wasted and save them images as well, which is pretty cool. Like, there's a lot of things that you can do with it. It's completely up to you. So that's pretty much it for this video. You know me. If you want to support me as a content creator, bringing all these tutorials and everything like that to you, then consider joining the channel members down below, or even on Patreon as well. And I'm probably going to see you in the next one, because I'm guessing the next video is around the corner. All right, guys, put your rock over the stone. Much love. I just want to say a huge thanks to all my patrons that help make this content full-time, make it free for you guys, and also a huge thanks to all my YouTube members. You guys are legends. Thank you so much for everything that you do for me and the community. Keep it up, guys.